How to fix inaccurate jumping locations? Sometimes when a few customers parks their vehicles for a long period of time, then they get these type of jumping locations. GPS is a system by which signals are sent from satellites to a GPS tracker to know its location. GPS devices needs at least 4 to 6 satellites in order to give precise location. GPS is an open sky technology, but these signals can be interfered when your vehicle is parked near tall buildings, or between dense trees, or in a covered area. And the device tries to find those signals, but due to insufficient number of satellites, the device gives you these type of inaccuracy in locations. So, we recommend you to park your vehicle under the open sky, with least possible obstructions. If you are still facing inaccuracy in location, then make sure the one-lap logo of the device faces towards the sky. Jumping or inaccuracy in location might also happen due to low network coverage in particular area. If you are still facing an issue, then kindly contact our customer support team. One lap.